Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to invert control buttons on your Kobo Libra Colour ebook. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the More button, and then click on Settings, and then go to the Reading Settings tab. And down here you have the default or inverted option. So for example, right now this button is the next page button. So to flip to the next page you can click this button, and if you want to go to the previous page you click this button. But if we click inverted, it will switch places. So for, right now this is the next page button, and this is the previous page button. And that's it. You can select any of these options, whichever one fits you, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.